What's good, chums? Welcome back to another video. We got Happy Tree Friends Blast from the Past. Shout out to whoever recommended this video. Keep recommending more videos. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Let's get it. Boy, you ugly as shit. Fuck, man. I be feeling that same way. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't know if y'all ever had the pain of, like, you just bought some good food, large plate, and you fall and everything falls with it. Yo, I be ready to curse the whole world out, bro. Damn. Sniffle's still ugly as shit, though. I just wanted to say that. What the fuck is he doing? Nigga, what the fuck is that? Nigga, that's a time machine, bro? My nigga, why didn't you just, like, bro, you just spent mad long making that shit. Nigga, you could have just went to go get a new glass, bro. You could have just cleaned the shit up, picked up the glass, and just made a new glass of milk, my nigga. You just doing the most for no reason. This why you die. Because you just be doing the most unnecessary shit, bro. Just get a paper towel, wipe up the milk, sweep up the glass, you're good. But now you about to be fucking with time and shit. Now, alright, bro. Who the fuck just died? Them voice actors, bro, I'm telling y'all, bro, they be looking so dumb. Oh, no. Nigga, why did you call this nigga for somebody's broke? Nigga, call the ambulance, bro. You called the worst person. You called the worst, alright, bro. I have a feeling this shit gonna end bad for this nigga Sniffles, bro. Alright, bro, it's good right there. Oh! Oh! Oh no! What the fuck? What the? This shit got me anxious, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? Why y'all violated my mans, bro? I ain't gonna lie. How that shit not killing you in real life, bro? That shit not killing you. How the fuck Toothy went through this nigga, bro? Killed him crazy. What the fuck are you doing? I'm telling you, Sniffles just fucking shit up. Lightweight. Oh shit! Oh shit! What the fuck, bro? Nah, I kind of want to go back on that shit. What? The, Y'all got my son getting killed in the worst ways, bro. And he doing, yo, damn. Same reaction. Oh, what the fuck? Sniffles, what the fuck are you doing, bro? I'm not even gonna lie. Just take him out the park, bro. Nigga just keep going back in time. I'm telling you. He gonna feel that shit in the end. Oh shit, it's fucking over. It's fucking over. Well, oh, it's fucking over. I already. Okay, I thought it was gonna be some blood. Oh my gosh, that wasn't too bad, but rest in peace to Cuddles, my nigga. Nigga went back again. He gotta be the one to die, bro. Why do you keep doing it? This shit torture. And they don't even know what's going on. Oh shit. Safety, 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 safety. Safety. That's what you Ben should have done that, birdie. Yeah, she's fucking dead. Yeah, she's fucking dead. She's fucking dead. She's fucking dead. Okay. What the fuck? First of all, how did Cuddle survive that fucking up in the air, that plane shit, and my nigga Lumpy couldn't survive a fucking kick to the back? How did that even make sense, bro? Y'all got me thinking they about to die, but oh yeah, fuck that, it's over. I ain't. Oh. Nigga getting angry, bro. Nigga, it's your fault. Ew, nigga, you ugly as shit. Wait, that's two of you. Y'all both ugly as shit. Nigga, did he just eat an ant, bro? That's not even his body. That's not even his body. That's not even him. The ants are still up on the score, bro. I don't care. I ain't gonna lie. But that, damn. That's the first time he ate an ant without some bad shit happen. The second time. My fault. They still up on the scoreboard though, my nigga. Oh! Yo, Sniffles, what the f... Yeah, bro. You should have just did that shit from the start, bro. Yeah, I know it's over, right? It's over. Them three dead. It's over. It's fucking over. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh shit! Ah, fuck, bro. Oh yeah, she's dead. Definitely dead. No way. Oh my fuck. Yo, I keep seeing the spine. Ah! Oh yeah, he's a criminal. He's a criminal. But I ain't gonna lie, it's not even Lumpy fault. It's this nigga fault, bro. This nigga. Yep. Good fucking bye. Good fucking bye. That episode was kind of good. That shit was valid. I ain't gonna lie. Sniffles was getting me so mad though, but they kept. Oh my gosh, bro! I just seen the spine so many times. That shit is nasty. That shit is disgusting. But Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure y'all smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. I love y'all. See you on the next video. Remember, you can achieve anything if you work hard, believe in yourself, and you trust God. Grow.